Okay, we're taking a look at my VU meter. It's an LED indicator of volume or signal intensity for an audio amplifier circuit. There's two circuits happening here. An audio amplifier, which has a power supply powered by a 9-volt battery. The power supply provides 4.5 volts positive and 4.5 volts negative. The rheostat controls the volume or the output amplitude. It's a simple opAmp amplifier. The output of that is going to go to a VU meter, which is an array of 10 LEDs, which will light up to indicate the intensity level. It's powered by an IC chip, which is designed expressly for this purpose. This rheostat controls the LED intensity of these lights. It's got its own separate power supply, 9-volt battery. I'm going to use the old iPhone to play a song. We won't be able to hear it because I don't have it hooked up to an audio monitor, but the lights will tell us that it's playing. Let's go ahead and power on the VU meter. An LED right here will indicate that this audio amplifier is powered on. I'm going to go ahead and turn my iPod down and hit play. So as you can see, we don't have anything yet. I'm turning the iPod up to half power. Let's turn off these lights. We should see something happening when I turn up the volume. Okay, so as it starts to indicate, it's going to go from green to blue to white. Let's crank this guy up a little bit more on the iPod. So as you can see, we have a full range of indication from off, that's all the way over, and as I slowly turn it up, more and more lights light up. The flickering you see is the song going up and down with the bass line and the singing. So that's the changing amplitude of the output from the iPhone. This rheostat right here, as I said, changes the intensity of the lights. So we can make them dim, and we can make them bright. Full range. Something funny happens when I plug in my headphones. I think the it's funny to talk about impedance with these tiny little headphones, but I think something about the impedance of the headphones doesn't agree with all of this, because as soon as I plug it in, you can hear it, but the lights turn off. I haven't figured that one out yet.